What's up, everybody? Welcome to SHOEGR Care Academy. Today we're going to be talking about our new, improved and advanced wipes. It comes with the brand new packaging and it has a tear strip box so that you can easily just tear it up and take the wipes out for your easy use, right? So today we have these Adidas Ozweego trainer shoes, and there's good chunk of dust around it, but it's not too dirty. Our new advanced wipes can really work the magic. So are you guys ready? Because I am. Our wipes come in two packaging. One is the 30 wipes and one is the 15 wipes. Today we're going to be using the 15 wipes. We have directions written at the back side of the wipe, and we have a cut so that it's easy for you to open up the wipe and tear it off. And I'm going to tear it up. There we go. Alright. Here it is, guys. It comes with two sides. One is the dotted and one is the plain. The dotted side is for the hard stains and the plain side is for the gentle stains. I'm going to work on the left shoe. I'm going to put the right shoe aside so that we can see the difference. It's a hard surface, so we can easily use the dotted side and clean it deeply. Yeah, the uppers are coming back to life already. You see the dust? It's all on the wipe. This is how we're breaking it. The uppers are all cleaned up, and I've just used quarter of the wipe. I'm gonna move to the midsoles with this now. Yeah, I feel sometimes wipes are like so easy. If you're traveling, if you're like in a rave party, or maybe shopping. All right, guys, the shoe is all cleaned up. You can see all the dirt, all the dust is on the wipe right now. The shoe is all clean.